Good morning, my shining stars. I hope that you all are fit, fine, and safe at your homes. Today, we are going to learn about our body parts, how humans and other living things stay alive, and why we need food. All humans have many body parts. Each part of body has a name: ear, head, nose, cheek, chin, mouth, chest, arms, stomach, thumb, finger, knee, toe, hair, neck, shoulders, elbow, hand, leg, foot. Each part has a job to do. Our bodies work in the same way, but we all look different. Living things. Human beings, plants, and animals are living things. All living things need air to breathe. All living things need food and water to grow and live. Only living thing can grow. A baby girl grows up to be a woman. A baby boy grows up to be a man. Plants and animals also grow. Why do living things need food? All living things like plants, animals, and human beings need food to stay alive. Food helps us to grow. Food gives us energy to do work. Plants make their own food. Some animals eat plant and some animals eat other animals. Human beings eat food that comes from plants and animals both. I hope you understand this topic very well and you are able to do home tasks by your own. We will meet in next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care. Allah Hafiz.